Okay guys, so it's me, EAA here today, and today's going to be another tornado siren video. Now before I start saying anything about the siren here, we actually have a very special guest here today. That's right, it is AdamSiren Adventures. So yeah, today...
What's up?
What?
What's up? Hey.
Yeah, so yeah, today I finally got to meet him. I've been wanting to meet him since October of last year, or like since my first tornado siren video. But all these months, he's never gotten a chance to come over. But today, he was able to come over. So yeah, he was able to come over, and this is just gonna be an exciting moment because of how he's here. So yeah, and he also has a frequency radio, so we're gonna hear like some buzzing. Yeah, like a buzzing sound, and then that'll tell me that it's about to sound. You know.
Right.
Yeah. So like where we are, if you guys remember the tornado siren maps, location, and images video, if you guys watched those 3 videos, if you guys remember, yeah, I'm here at this place called the Steam Center. If you guys remember that, I'm at this place called the Steam Center. So at the Steam Center, and this is siren number 19. If you guys watched the video, this is siren number 19 by the Steam Center, but I think it's about to sound. Yeah. We're here at the Steam Center, and this is right here is siren number 19, and this is the siren I'm going to be showing you, sounding up. There it comes. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna come all the way back where I started because I wanna, before I end off the video, guys, also, first of all, the sirens that you're hearing now, that you're hearing now, those are not the Allen sirens. Those are now the Plano tornado sirens, the ones that belong in the city of Plano. But what? The Frisco? Well, those are the ones that are sounding right now. Okay, never mind, guys. Those are those are actually the Frisco tornado sirens. But here, before I end off the video, guys, I want to give out a big shout out and a big thank you to Adam here for coming over. Here, let me see if the camera's gonna focus. There we go. But I want to give out a big shout out and a big thank you to Adam here for coming over. Like I said, I've been wanting to meet him since October, or since my first tornado siren video in October, but he never got a chance to come over these months. But today he was able to come over. And so, yeah, today he was able to come over. And so, yeah, this is just an exciting day, yeah. Hopefully, we're going to see if he might be able to come over next month. Maybe or maybe not, but if he can, I'm planning on going to siren number 10. That's over by my old elementary school. If you guys watch the tornado sirens and map and images video, if you guys saw those 3 videos, yeah, that's the one. But yeah, this is Adam here. Yeah, but yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, guys, and thank you for watching, guys.